So here is our new product, our flip flag stop with micro adjust. As you can see here, it's made of quite a few components. You've got your turn wheel here, which allows for your micro adjust to come out and in. This micro adjust is on a 0.8 pitch, so the each full turn of the wheel will come out 8.8 of a mil. And you can see here, we've got a little divot here which allows you to know how far you've turned it, the complete round circle. And with a little mark in here of a quarter turn here of 0.2 mil. It comes with a thumb screw at the top here, which is the part that connects into the fence system here, and with a T-nut here. So for me to put this together, what I'm going to do is just make life a little bit easier. If I take out the thumb screw and slide the T-nut in, you can see these two little lugs here. These go over the T-nut here, like so, and then the thumb screw goes in like so. Just like our original flag stop here, similar concept. So once this is in, you can then set this back here to 0 and then adjust where you would like the block to be. So looking at the black part here of the block, you can see I'm going to set this here at 320 mil, like so. Tighten this down. I can move it up out the way if I need to. Put that back down and like so, fine tune the stop here, just to fine tune when you're wanting to make a cut. If you want to take 0.1 of a millimeter off or 0.2, simple quarter turn like so. Okay, so for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all the way back in. I'm going to get my workpiece here. I can put this on here like so, up against my fence system, and as you can see here, by turning this will move the workpiece out. Obviously make sure that when you're going to cut, you make sure you're square against your board like so. So once you've got it set and how you want it, you can then do your first cut. So I'm going to just drop down our hinge system here like so, and as you can see, I've got this position out here where you would take that part off. Now if I wanted to fine tune it a bit more, I can just keep turning that wheel just to fine tune it to where you want it to be, like so. And then, like so, I would have my workpiece cut. So there you have it. That's our flip flag stop. They are available on our website now. And they work in conjunction with our normal original flag stops that come with our fence systems. And here you can set this one to be what measurement you would like it at, and this one too. So another great feature with the flip flag stop is it's universal. If you're working with your flag stop on this way here, and you want to have your flag stop here on the right hand fence, you need to be able to put this on the opposite side. And as you can see here, we've already preset this up for you. And all you need to do is move all of this section here over to the other side. And we've got another video which shows you how to do that. But just to show you, here's one with it on the opposite side here, so you can see here. It's all exactly the same components, just switched around. And then that allows you to then have your flag stop here. When doing narrow cuts, wayside cuts, along that way there. So easily, once again, adjusting the wheel here to work there. So there you have it, our flip flag stop with micro adjust, available at benchdogs.co.uk.